Hi, welcome to Pro Cement YouTube channel. According to global statistics, cement ranks among the most consumed product on earth because of its wide utilization in buildings, road and dam construction, and many other civil engineering constructions. So it's quite fascinating to understand the concept of cement production. Do you want to understand the concept of cement production? Do you want to know the unit operations involved in cement manufacturing process? Do you want to understand the chemical composition of cement? Do you want to know the function of key equipment and machines in cement manufacturing process? Do you want to know the basic parameters that we're meant to watch out for in cement production? Please subscribe to our channel and follow our update as we demystify cement production process in its entirety. You see, cement production process could appear complex, but it's quite fascinating. It actually involves various stages which will be covered in this channel. In the first stage, we'll be talking about the raw material chemistry, which is first ascertained before the material is blasted in the mines, and of course the crushing unit, which serves the basic purpose of size reduction via the primary and the secondary crusher, then transported through belt conveyors. And we'll be looking at the transport systems in the cement manufacturing process. Then we'll look at the raw material storage, which serve as a temporal storage for raw material. And it also serves as the homogenization point for the raw mix. And we will see different installed, highly sophisticated analyzers, which helps in quality assurance of the raw material, because this is very vital. So at every point in a cement production, quality test is carried out to ensure good material chemistry. We'll also be covering the stack and reclaiming mechanism in the storage unit, how the raw material is piled up using the stacker and reclaimed for the raw milling operation using the reclaimer. We'll be talking about the raw milling section, which utilizes a vertical roller mill to reduce raw material having particle size of about 100 millimeters in diameter up to 0.10 to 0.09 millimeters in diameter with the aid of a very highly effective separator. And of course, the grinding in the vertical roller mill is done to reduce the particle size of the raw material to enable effective chemical reaction in the procalcining and the clinkerization stage of the production process. The preheating and the precalcining state will be highly covered in this channel. We'll be discussing extensively the preheating, precalcining, and clinkerization reaction in the cement production process. Why getting it right is very vital, as well as getting the chemical reaction done, because this is the most vital part of the cement production process. We'll extensively discuss the raw material cooler and why it is very important to have an effective cooling section. And also we'll be discussing about the clinker storage, clinker transport, and of course the cement proportioning unit. We'll be talking about the cement milling unit and how the cement is transported to storage silos and how it is extracted for cement packaging units, and also talking about the computer controlled aspect. Please subscribe to our channel as we will be demystifying the cement production process in its entirety. In my first video, we'll be talking about the mining and the crushing operation. Thanks for watching.